Many of people thinks of India as a country of poverty, slums, dirts, rapes, and caste systems. But the other end, who people is visit in India will most likely see the followings: lots of color, narrow lanes, spicy food, seven-star hotels, beautiful temples, mind-blowing history, yoga. Are you know that over 500 languages speak in India? Today we talk about Indian multiple languages. While most countries in the world have one national language, India has a different languages for each of its 29 states. Hindi is recognized as an official language and all union governments records are written in Hindi and English. Other state governments have record written in states' official language and English. In India, how you connect with peoples, the variation into the nations, the pitch, the way certain sounds are tracked or stressed is how peoples decode it and bond with other natives in another cities and towns. Not surprisingly, so much variety makes it unremarkable for an India to have native level fluency in languages other than his own native tongue. Linguistic researchers have found that two of the world's oldest written languages are from India, Sanskrit and Tamil. Sanskrit heavily influenced many European languages. Some written records in this language date back to 3000 before Christ. And Sanskrit is also one of the most scientifically developed language. Sanskrit can provide an infinity numbers of words, each of whose meaning is easily decipherable based on the root words and grammatical constructs. And the other surviving classical language, Tamil, boasts record dating back to 5000 before Christ. Unlike Sanskrit, Tamil is still in everyday use with many newspapers circulating in this language. However, the original structure of Tamil slowly giving way to modern usage. Many English words are borrowed from India. The Hobson and Jobson, the definite grocery of British India. This was a complete grocery of India's words that become a permanent fixture in the English dictionary. Are you know that India is the second largest English speaking country in the world? Most private schools in India encourage students to learn multiple languages even from the first grade. Public schools teach in the vernacular, but there is growing focus on access to English medium of instructions. Therefore, India is great about languages. If you people like this video, please subscribe the channel for more videos related to India.